Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel. Uh, Whenever we are having this small talk or it's a little icebreaker, we begin with this very annoying kind of a subject called sun signs or zodiac signs. I know I sound like this kind of a person who's got problem with everything, but ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's just a personal opinion. I'm sure a lot of people are feeling the same, but we have to keep pretending that we love to listen and talk about it. Couple of times, like when I used to feel very uncomfortable and weird and strange, because I never really enjoyed this kind of a discussion or a talk, but then everything is centered around it. Like, what's your zodiac sign? What's your sun sign? Oh, let me guess it. Oh, you're a Libra. And we like, yeah, you're right. Sometimes when I had to cut down with people, I used to just agree with whatever sun sign they are putting a label on me, and I'm like okay with it, so that they could shut their fucking mouths. Yeah, because they go on and on. Oh, I'm a Gemini. Yeah, I'm such a Taurian. I've got such a bad temper. So every time they have some bad behavior or any good quality, they'll put it on their sun sign. Like, वो credit देंगे कि, oh, I'm so organized because I'm a Virgo. No, because you have an OCD and you're a control freak. You want to be a monitor all the time. So all the time they'll be like, I'm a Sagittarius. I'm so honest and brutally frank. No, you're rude and mannerless. You're basically a shameless whore. That's it. You just want to insult people, so you use this thing about being a Scorpio or a Sagittarius. Be yourself. Own your shit. Be yourself. If you've done something wrong, own it. If you are wrong, own it. Don't put it on your sun sign. Jupiter ascending and Pluto descending and Mercury retrograde. Nonsense. Oh, Aquarius, she's got a unique personality. Yeah, if she'll dress up like some kind of a crazy freak and that style won't match and nothing won't match, then it's a unique style, right? Oh, that person is so quiet and reserved. They have a deeper soul. They are Cancerians. No. वो भाव खा रहे हैं. Possibly that person must be a covert narcissist wanting attention from you, that you should be chasing them, or they must be having their own insecurities, and these people must be full of resentment and hatred. We never know, but they put on this act of being very humble and shy and awkward and nervous. I said, when these people want to get work done, then they are all fine, right? Then they are all confident, they are all fearless, bold, going around getting their work done, right? So what's this about sun signs? Your sun signs don't shape you up. Your habits and your attitude, your own personality is responsible for your behavior. Sometimes it comes in legacy. Like, we have no choice because of cultural conditioning, social programming, generational engineering. It is all fed into our heads, all these ideas. Yeah, it is not easy. It is almost impossible. It is impossible to overcome these old, outdated dogmas and thought processes and concept. It's not easy. But to hide behind all these things, oh, that person, oh, she's an Aries. Oh, they're so like bold. And even a guy, especially when the females are dating, they'll always keep being bothered about the guy's a sun sign. Scorpio, yeah, he'll be such a passionate lover. All we know that he could be a gay. He might be having an erectile dysfunction. We don't know. Oh, he's और कौन सा सन साइन है यार जो मैं भूल गई हूँ. वर्गो. याद भी नहीं रहता है मुझे ये सिली चीजें. All bad behavior is coming into this. सन साइन के नाम से आगे निकल जाते हैं लोग. Oh, I'm a Piscean. I'm such a quiet. I'm a water sign. Oh, I'm a earth sign. I'm a air sign. I'm a Gemini. So my communication is really like top notch. No, you're talkative and you're irritating and annoying. You just want to hoard the limelight. So stop making this about your sun signs. And people match up with each another. Oh, we will get along so well because we are water signs. Oh, you're Cancer. Oh, we are Pisces. Oh, we all get together and become this kind of a group, subgroup. Oh, we are going to match. Oh, there's a match made in heaven because Scorpions and Capricorns can get along pretty well. Oh, yes. Oh, they're such achievers and they're such this. Oh, Scorpions are such revengeful people. No, everybody takes revenge in their own sweet manner. It's nothing to do with sun signs. Sun signs एक बहाना बन गया है. किसी पे मतलब if I have to do it openly, then I say I can't help it. I'm a Scorpio. I can't help it. I'm a Capricorn. I just can't help it. So all our bad behavior is attributed to sun signs, and all our good behavior is also, all our good personality traits are also given credit to sun signs. Oh, she's such a flirtatious person, and she's so well balanced because she's a Libra, and Libras are very beautiful. They like finer things in life. Why? बाकी के sun sign क्या idiots है, morons है, dumb है, उनको कोई choice नहीं है life में. What's up? I mean, come on, we cannot just live in this magic. We want magical, fantastical Disneyland kind of a world, like no, where we are all princesses and goddesses. Nonsense this is. I don't know. There are very few guys who have asked me this question, and I used to get this gay kind of a vibe from them. It's like, ये बंदा ऐसे क्यों पूछ रहा है? Because it's more of a women's cup of tea. So women, own up, yaar. You with or without these sun signs, y'all are complete. Y'all are great. And there's always a room for improvement. Don't just get carried away with your favorite celebrities, whatever nonsense they are doing, and idolize them, and then say, "Oh, Madhuri Dixit is a Taurian." I don't know. Maybe. Oh, no wonder she's so like passionate about her dance, and she's so talented. Look at Aishwarya. She's so deep and she's so passionate because she's a Scorpio. Look at that gaze. Look at Shah Rukh Khan. Stop chasing these celebrities. They have a very fake, vague life. It's all made up for the screen, for the public. Stop idolizing them. There's more to life. And stop harping about your personality traits regarding according to sun signs. Own up. If you're doing something wrong, yes, I've done something wrong. Be bold enough to say, yes, I've done something wrong. Or I don't understand. Like, there are people who ask me, do you know gaming? I don't know. I have no idea about gaming. The only thing I know was Candy Crush, which I played for sometimes, and Fruit Ninja, and beyond that I have no clue. I don't know. I'm not in touch. I don't have to load my head with information overload, knowing everything which is happening in the world, right? Na? So I don't have to keep pretending to be the school person to fit into the crowd. नहीं आता है, घंटा नहीं आएगा, नहीं आता है. If it is necessary, if it is required, maybe I'll put in some efforts to know it. But otherwise, why? Right, na? So next time if a woman is coming and saying, what's your sun sign? I'll say, can you guess? And then she'll say, oh, you're a so-and-so. I'll say, yes, exactly. You just guessed it. Oh, you're so correct. Can we just talk something? I mean, what was it regarding you came for? Some work to be done? And just change the topic. Imagine being friends with people just because you are clubbing yourself with certain sun signs is something very wrong, and judging even your life, your I won't say life partners, वो बाद में आ जाता है, but even if you're like liking somebody or trying to have a relationship with someone or trying to be friends with someone, and to club them under some sun sign and justify their bad behavior or their good attitude or good behavior or their personality traits is just not done. Maybe that's just me. Please guys, please friends, Please share with me your experience, because it's exhausting having such small conversation relating to these celebrities, these vague topics, and these, keeping in touch with these trendy things, right now. And another thing I just wanted to say about these trends is that no, there's this thing about following the trend. We have to be like on a race course, like a race track. Every time I have to know something which is happening, as if it's a pressure on the head, like it's like a deadline. So please share your experiences in the comment section. Please tell me how you feel when somebody asks you your sun sign. Really, I feel like disappearing at that moment. Like, God, please, 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 please let me vanish from here, because now this chick will talk about it for next 1.5 hours about sun signs and the related stories. Remember, we are not just telling stories, we are changing lives. Okay. So yes, please give me your feedback, your suggestions, your ideas. Please keep sharing them. It's always I'm always looking forward for it. It's always motivating. And thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you.